Today I'm going to teach you how to clear filing in TurboTax. This is especially useful if you need to start your tax return from scratch or want to remove all your entered data and begin fresh with a clean slate. Start by opening your TurboTax app. You can do this by opening a browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your tax return. This step is essential because you need to be logged in to access your filing information and the tools that will allow you to clear it. Once your account has loaded and you can see your dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the clearing tools. Look at your left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your return. Click on Tax Tools. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear with several useful options. From this drop-down menu, click on Tools. This section houses all the advanced features and utilities that TurboTax offers for managing your tax filing. After clicking on Tools, a small window will appear showing you different management options. To clear your filing in TurboTax and start over completely, click on the Clear and Start Over option. This is the key feature that allows you to wipe all your previously entered data and begin with a fresh return. It's important to note that this action is significant because it will remove all the information you've entered so far, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. You'll be prompted to confirm this action because TurboTax wants to ensure you're making an intentional decision. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to verify that you want to clear your tax data. Simply click on I want to clear my tax data to proceed. This final confirmation step ensures that you don't accidentally delete your work. Once you click this button, TurboTax will process your request and clear all your filing information, giving you a clean slate to start fresh with your tax return. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your filing in TurboTax and can now start over with a new return. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.